Sure. My name is Shawn Roberts. I am an independent consultant, currently engaged with USAA out of Texas, and working in the information security and risk program there. They have a lot of systems that are using Amazon Web Services today. So this training has been outstanding to really give me an overview of those systems and what to look for and how to go about assessing some of that risk and understanding what the folks are doing. The training has really been great. Sprintzeal has been great. Raj has really gone above and beyond in terms of digging into the details of the different topics and not just covering what's basic on the slides. So it's been great. I really appreciate it.